So we got one roosted this morning here with Travis. We got one roosted. Got the decoys. Got one, he's roosted. We roosted him last night. He's just right over there. Probably about 150 yards. He knows we're over here. We counted him all that. And, yep, that was Travis. But, at least it's a shotgun. You won't knock the sight off. But he's got one, as you can hear. See if we can bust him. Still too far, I think. If he's walking, just let him go. Just let him go. If he's walking, you just let him go. There we go. Let him keep going. Let him keep going. He's still out of range. I could kill him with my gun. He sees that decoy. He's coming at it. Kill him. When he... Oh, wait. Oh, no. He's going up. He's going right at that decoy. You get ready. Wait for it. Whenever you feel comfortable. There you go. There that boy. Got real hard. Yes, buddy. Yes. Great shot.
I gotta get out.
Oh, great shot.
I gotta get out.
Oh, you're good. He's dead. I watched his head flop when you shot him. Great shot. Hey, you stay there. I'll come to you. And here we go. Travis getting the crap knocked out of him. Alrighty. Oh man.
I can't. I'm shaking.
Oh man. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, man, that's awesome, dude. I'm so happy.
There we go.
Buddy, he knocked the crap out of that fan. Or, I mean, that decoy. He sure did.
The things that God created that'll do to a man.
Oh, brother, I am happy to get your first, that you're with me, get your first one this year. I think there was only one gobbler.
Well, we finally connected this morning. And I couldn't be more happier.
Oh, man. I tell you what, that was awesome, man. That
You think
good.
that was him we saw fly down? Or you think that was a hen, the one that went out?
I think it was a hen, which is crazy because
I don't know where he came from.
I think
They circled and he went down and then came.
well, there was. I saw movement when you said you saw something up here. I saw movement just for a brief.
Yeah,
bit.
I did too, just for about a brief second.
I think this turkey, I think he's the one that flew up. He gobbled, went out, he gobbled, and he went down this ridge to strut over in that flat over there. He gobbled and gobbled and gobbled and gobbled and gobbled. And then finally, I mean, he just worked his way around the blind. I'm glad we had that blind though. He would have busted us probably.
Oh yeah.
And he came around, down, and when you call, I mean, your trump train, the warbird call, your mouth call, and my striker.
Boy, when we hit that slate call and I was yelping, he gobbled what? 11, 12 times?
Yeah,
Just back.
I mean, just going and going and going. I mean, hammering down. And finally, I could hear him, but I could not see him. I thought he was closer behind us than he was. He went down.
When he gobbled that.
And
when
then,
he gobbled that, like
and
behind
then
us.
and like you said, he was down there, and he was starting to go. He was going to go away because he didn't see the decoy yet. And you counted, and buddy, it was on. He was ready. He was ready to give old Mr. Tom Decoy there a butt whooping of his lifetime.
Yeah, tore up my daggone Jake fan.
So we use a real fan. We put him. He got me on this last year. We use a real fan. We put it down in the decoy, and whenever we put it down in that decoy, oh man, I tell you, for a decoy, a real fan makes a difference. If you can kill a turkey, keep that fan, stiffen it out, and get it just right. And I mean, he came right at him and just, I mean.
Just like you see in the movies.
Yeah, just like you see in these whole high dollar primos and Struck Commander and all those guys. We're a little amateur, but hey, I mean, we're getting the job done. Just some old country boys, but being a row outdoors, getting it done.
Let's go get on another.
Yeah, let's go after another.
Before the monsoon sets in.
Yeah, we got rain coming. Yeah.
That's the dog manure out.
Yep. There goes Travis with his bird.
I'm the happiest man alive.
Here's a couple shots with Travis and his bird and us after the kill. Thank you for watching Being Around Outdoors. If you can, help me out. Like and subscribe. Leave any comments, and I appreciate it. So, thanks for watching Being Around Outdoors. Get out there, guys.